So you want to know about real estate investing. The first thing we're going to talk about in this video is, what does that actually mean? Real estate investing can mean a different thing to different people, and we'll cover that in this video. So if you've Googled or you have placed real estate investing into the search bar in YouTube, you're probably curious about getting started in real estate investing. You can do 1,000 different things as a real estate investor. So what is it you are looking for when you're typing that in? Are you looking for an avenue to make some quick money? Are you looking for an avenue to build a business? Or are you looking for an avenue to build residual income? You can do all those things at once with real estate investing, or you can do them individually. Myself, I started as a rehabber, a flipper, buying homes and renovating them and reselling them. And then I moved into rehabbing and wholesaling. And wholesaling essentially is negotiating on a property, locking up the contract, and then selling the rights to buy the contract to somebody. That's my choice for real estate investing. Some people like rentals. They like single family rentals where they buy a property, maybe they get a loan on it, put a renter in it, and they hold the property for a number of years, making small amounts of income over a period of time on that property. They may own one or a few or dozens of rentals, or they may decide to get into multifamily, 4-unit, 6-unit, or larger apartment complexes. So there are a lot of different strategies to real estate investing. One of our goals with this YouTube channel is to make sure that we are covering each one of those goals. I will primarily focus on fix and flip and wholesaling because that is where my passion is, but I'll definitely cover the pros and cons of having rentals as a landlord, how you accomplish that as well. We'll talk about raising private money. We'll talk about working with contractors. We'll talk about systematizing and building your business. We're going to cover the gamut of real estate investing. I've been doing this since 2003. It's a business that I have been very successful in, and I've had my butt kicked in, and I've been successful in again. And we're going to cover all the pros and cons, the pluses and minuses, the real struggles when it comes to building a real estate investing business the right way, and the money that you make that is so worth it once you get to where you need to go. So until I talk to you again, have a wonderful day.